Wagwan goodies, welcome back to your girl channel. Today I am going to share this recipe with you, my weight loss recipe, and it is going to be awesome and delicious. So if you're on a weight loss mission, try this recipe. So here I have some chicken that I already washed and seasoned. I seasoned my chicken with some garlic pepper powder, some black pepper, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, some paprika, and some Maggi chicken seasoning, and I use half tablespoon each. Over here I have some green bell peppers and yellow and red bell peppers. I have some tomatoes, half of a lemon, I have onion, and I have a piece of thyme that I'll be using later on to prepare this awesome weight loss chicken recipe. Okay, so here I have some vegan butter, low fat butter. You can use olive oil to go the healthiest way possible. And I just added some crushed garlic. Here I have my vegetables. I just boiled the water and put them in, so I'm not boiling them. So I added the thyme to the pot just to get that nice fragrance from the thyme to, go in to the butter. And now I'm adding my chicken. So I'm adding all of the chicken into the pot. And if you have a bigger pot, please go ahead and use it, because it was a little bit difficult for me when I was turning them over, but you have to work with what you have. So I'm gonna allow them to brown on one side, and then I'm gonna turn them over on the other side when I have a nice crisp, just like this. You just want to turn them over. As you can see, I'm struggling here to turn them over. I did go ahead and I added the onion. You can go ahead and add the onion, and also go ahead and add your half of lemon. So just continue to turn them over and let them brown on the other side as well. So as you can see, I added the lemon, and I also added my bell peppers, and everything is looking lovely and beautiful. So goodies, I'm just going to add some chili flakes. You can add chili powder if you like, or you can add a piece of hot pepper, and the pepper is optional. So if you don't like pepper, that's fine. Don't have to add any peppers, okay? But I'm adding some pepper, and everything is looking good. I love the aroma that is coming from this. Oh my god, it smells so good. Just to get things nice, I'm going to add some, oh god, my ancestors better help me to pronounce this word, some Worcestershire sauce. Just a little tot all over my chicken, just to get a little bit of saltiness inside of my chicken. And then I'm going to cover it with some foil paper, and I'm going to place it into the oven for 450 degrees. So after a few minutes, I took off the foil paper and allow it to get a nice color on top. So leave the foil paper on for about 10 minutes and then take it off and finish up in your oven. And this is the final result, my friends. It is awesome, it is healthy and delicious. So here you can see I have my plating. I did go ahead and I boiled some corn just to add a little bit more vegetable to my dish, and you can use any vegetable with this dish. Thumbs up, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so as yet. Until next time, my friends, walk good, and let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you want to see more weight loss videos. Thank you so much. Bye.